When you see your doctor, their job is clear. Run tests, look for a diagnosis, and decide what intervention they can offer. What they don't usually talk about is your immune function itself. They don't say, here's how hard your immune system is working, here's how depleted it is, or here's what to feed it so it can actually keep up. But your body has been giving you that feedback all along. If you're getting sick more often than you used to, if you take longer to recover, if small stresses knock you flat, if your energy and resilience just aren't what they were, those are not random annoyances. That's your immune system quietly saying, I'm working harder than I should be, and I'm low on supplies. You have instincts. So does your immune system. Under the surface, one of the key supply lines it depends on is glutathione, a major antioxidant inside your cells that helps with defense, detox, and repair. Stress, poor sleep, toxins, infections, and age can all drain glutathione. When glutathione is low, your immune system is like an army with not enough fuel, tools, or repair crews. It will still try to do its job, but it's constantly behind. Here's the part you'll almost never hear in a 7-minute office visit. Your body is still willing to fix a lot of what you're feeling if you give it the right raw materials. That means daily, specific nutrition that helps your body rebuild glutathione so your immune system can respond the way it was designed to. When people start consistently supporting glutathione, what they often notice is not magic. It's steady. More reliable energy, better recovery after stress or illness, and a sense that their body is finally working with them, not against them. Your doctor will tell you when something is diagnosably wrong. Your immune system has been telling you when it's struggling long before that. If you're tired of ignoring those signals and guessing on your own, Judy at Sweet Success Lifestyle Transformations can help you put this into a simple, realistic plan. Judy specializes in glutathione-focused nutrition, including a clinically researched whey protein isolate that helps the body support healthy glutathione levels and immune function as part of a daily routine. If you'd like to see what that could look like for you, use the link with this video to schedule a short call with Judy. Don't wait for a lab result to tell you what your body has already been saying. Judy will look at the signals your body's been sending and will help you discern whether low glutathione may be part of your picture. If the answer is yes, then Judy will help you map out a straightforward plan to start giving your immune system the supplies it's been asking for. This is educational, not medical advice.